I am Bindu and welcome back for another lesson. We know that the physical world around us is made of a large number of chemicals. The soil, the air, the water, all the life forms, along with the materials that they use, all consist of chemicals. Out of all such chemicals, acids, bases and salts are mostly used in everyday life. Let it be in a fruit juice or in a detergent or in a medicine. The balance of these chemicals plays a key role in our day-to-day activities. An acid is the compound which is capable of forming hydrogen ions, H+, in an aqueous solution, whereas a base is a compound that forms hydroxyl ions, OH- in solution. In this lesson, let us discuss about their chemical properties in detail. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand about neutralization reaction, reaction of acids and bases with metals, reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, reaction of acids with metal oxides, reaction of base with non-metal oxide. Keywords: acid, base, metal oxide, non-metallic oxide, neutralization. Let us look at the concept map of this lesson. When NF, NaOH is added to HCl, the resulting aqueous solution contains only Na plus and Cl minus ions, that is NaCl, a salt, and the solvent is water. The only source of H plus and OH minus ions in this solution is dissociation of water. Therefore, this reaction is called the neutralization reaction. The neutralization reaction is also represented by the following simple equation. The reaction of acids with metals is determined by the strength and the concentration of the acid and also by the reactivity of the metal and the temperature. It is easy to bring about the reaction of a dilute solution of strong acids with moderately reactive metals at normal temperature. Zinc metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and an inflammable gas, hydrogen, is formed. During this reaction, the reactive metal displaces hydrogen from the acid to release hydrogen gas. At the same time, the metal is converted into basic radical which combines with the acidic radical from the acid to form the salt. When a few granules of zinc metal in one of the test tubes reacts with sodium hydroxide, NaOH solution, and after giving a little heat to the contents of the test tube, a salt is formed. In this activity, also you will notice that evolved gas is hydrogen, H2, and salt formed is sodium zincate. The reaction is written as follows. However, such reactions are not possible with all metals. We have taken two test tubes and labeled them as A and B. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, is taken in test tube A, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, in test tube B. Now, we shall add about dilute HCl to both the test tubes. The produced gas is passed in each case through lime water, calcium hydroxide solution. When lime water comes in contact with the gas released in the form of an effervescence, it turns milky. This is a chemical test for carbon dioxide gas. This reaction can be represented by the following chemical equation. Acids react with oxides of metals to form a salt and water. Hence, oxides of metals are said to be basic in nature. The chemical formula of red oxide is Fe2O3. The water insoluble red oxide reacts with HCl to produce a water soluble salt FeCl3. This gives a yellowish color to the water. The following chemical equation can be written for this chemical change. Bases react with oxides of non-metals to form a salt and water. Hence, oxides of non-metals are said to be acidic in nature. Sometimes, the oxides of non-metals themselves are said to be examples of acids. Aluminium oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium aluminate. NaAlO2 and water. Sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals because it is used in the preparation of many other compounds. It is used in car batteries also. Hydrochloric acid is used as a cleansing agent in toilets. Citric acid is used in the preparation of effervescent salts and as a food preservative. Nitric acid is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers, dyes, paints and drugs. Oxalic acid is used to clean iron and manganese deposits from quartz crystals. It is also used as bleach for wood and for removing black stains. Carbonic acid is used in aerated drinks. Tartaric acid is a constituent of baking powder. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing of building. Magnesium hydroxide is used as a medicine for stomach disorder. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from clothes. Points to remember. Acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ions or H3O plus ions when dissolved in water. Base is a substance which releases OH minus ions when dissolved in water. Salt is the product of reaction between acids and bases. Acids and bases neutralize each other to form corresponding salts and water. Thank you.